Welcome back to the Graham Stephan Show. My name is Graham and welcome to my show. We're about to get flexed on today with this video here. If you ever watch a video and then you feel bad for yourself afterwards, well, you know what? We're just going to dive into those feelings today. With this video, it's titled, My Millionaire Forex Day Trading Lifestyle at 22 years old, featuring a 50% dislike ratio. So already we know this video is going to be a banger, so let's go ahead and watch it. Alright, so it starts off with, I have achieved freedom all at a young age. Doesn't look like he's taking care of himself though. Like, first of all, he's got his shoes on the nice white bed sheets. Like, that's a no-no. So that's already, that's negative 20 points for me. Then he's smoking and drinking at the exact same time, wearing sunglasses inside. So here, this is an example of what not to do. And that doesn't even take into account the stacks of $100 bills he just has laying out on the bed. I'm actually quite perplexed who would see this and be like, you know what? I want to be that guy. This is who I look up to. Warren Buffett? Nah. Steve Jobs? Nah. This guy here with his shoes on the couch. You know what? You don't need $1 million to keep your shoes on the couch, but let's continue. Knox. Why is he just kind of walking on that little edge there? He's walking on the edge just on his phone. You kind of got to question these B-roll shots. Like, what's the point? Growing up as a kid, I came from a poor family. And yeah, so now he just has stacks of cash on his laptop. Look at the plug there. There's a plug everywhere. FxLifeStyle.com. He's not wasting any moment to plug his program. Why does he put Forex trading in quotes? Like, I came across Forex trading as though it's like that's interchangeable with maybe like something illegal. Like he's doing some illegal activities here. He's smoking in every single shot. I think number one, he needs to not smoke. He's got to get on a healthy lifestyle instead. So I like this. I risked my last little bit of money and it changed my life. You know, a lot of people say that too about the lottery, you know, gambling. There's a lot of bad things out there that for a small percentage of people, hey, it works. Let's see what he has to say though, because we're a minute into it and now he's gonna dish out some facts.
What's going on, guys? My name's FxLifeStyle. I'm 22.
His name is FxLifeStyle. That's his name. I want to know his name. Like, is John, Dave, Steve? What's his name? That's not FxLifeStyle. Imagine his mom is like, hey, this is young little FX lifestyle.
The old rich Forex trader, living a millionaire lifestyle, waking up to beautiful views like this, sleeping in luxury penthouses with private jacuzzis, hot tubs.
Oh yeah, that got me. Listen, I was not on board until I saw the jacuzzi. Now I'm sold. I was about worried there that he was a scam until I saw the jacuzzi on the rooftop. That was a close one, guys. Oh, wow. Look, okay, so not only is he a smoker, but it's also apparent he's an alcoholic. He's got 2 open bottles here. He's obviously the only one. 2 bottles for himself. He's got his computer too close to the pool. Look at that. He's got a plug-in headphones, not even the AirPods. It's a bit disappointing. And he's wearing a shirt in the pool. So we got a lot of red flags going on here just to go into this with a bit of skepticism.
Okay, so right now I'm in the private pool, just trading Forex, literally chilling in the sun, living a millionaire lifestyle, and I'm 22 years old. I'm drinking expensive $1,000 champagne.
This has got to be a joke, right? You would hope that this is a joke. Listen, if he's joking on us, then he wins, okay? Then we got to hand it to him because he's doing a great job, really just getting attention to his entire brand. But if this is not a joke, people like this exist. That's the scary part.
And, you know, chilled by the pool on top of the hills, and it's crazy.
It's like, hey, show the beams up there. Yeah, show the beams in the top of the house there. No, back down to me, there you go. But let's show the beams a little bit more.
You know, I've made a few thousand today, but I'm not happy with that. I believe I can make many more thousands. And this is the beauty of Forex. Like, I can constantly keep profiting whenever I want, whatever time I want.
So whatever time he wants, he can make as much money as he wants. So it's basically, he has a license to print money, allegedly, from anywhere in the world while he smokes and drinks and wears shirts in the pool. Got it.
When I make thousands, so do nearly all my students. And thousands of my students are making profit while I'm profiting by copying my signals.
It sounds like a pump and dump. That's what it is. It sounds like he's making all this money because he sends an alert to like thousands of people like, hey, I have a hunch this next little thing is going to be going up in value. They all buy it. It goes up in value. Everyone's like,
Wow, how did you know this? That's so cool. I can't believe you were right.
and then meanwhile, it's like, sell. That's it.
You need to join a team at FxLifeStyle.com.
It's like he just turned around to sneeze or something like that. And he's going to come back into it. Now it's nighttime. He's still got on sunglasses. Why? Why does he have sunglasses on at night, in bed, with his shoes on the sheets, with money everywhere? Why?
Right guys, so I've made
Oh, and the audio just completely threw me off for a loop there.
a lot of thousands today from my laptop.
The audio is all over the place. Listen, for somebody who could make as much money as they want, you'd at least expect like fair audio quality. I'm not even asking for like great audio quality. I'm just asking for something that's okay. That's just passable audio. Unable to do that.
And it's nighttime now. I'm gonna head and get some rest and, you know, hopefully make more thousands tomorrow with my...
I'm gonna make more thousands tomorrow. I thought he was about to say, now we're about to head to the club. That's what he needs. What is he doing going to bed early? This guy needs to be at the club until 6 a.m. in the morning, just being completely hammered the next day and just like, sell. That's it.
So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and yeah.
I love how the audio just cuts off, and it seems like the cameraman is like, maybe he's had some of that champagne too, but the cameraman is just constantly wobbling. I don't know if that's done for purpose, or maybe just like he can't keep his balance.
So I'm by the beach taking a few...
So I'm by the beach today. We're about to make multiple thousands of dollars with my buy and sell alerts.
Imagine waking up by the beach instead of going to the boring office.
It kind of worries me how he's holding his laptop. Like, I don't know about you, but like, I wouldn't be just like doing this all day. Like, it makes you feel anxious, right? Imagine I'm talking like this, like right by the ocean, right? Like my computer's like 5 feet away from the water. I'm making thousands a day, and just like, I'm worried this is gonna fall. I would love to see this fall.
From my laptop, waking up to these views, traveling the entire world, literally. The amount of countries I've been to is crazy, and I'm just counting every day. Literally every month I'm traveling the world, driving crazy super...
He didn't tell us what he's counting. He's just like, I'm just counting every day. Just counting. Imagine he's like just counting to 10.
Cars, literally staying in the most expensive hotels, eating great food, and this could be you if you work hard. And I'm about to create so many millionaires this year through my course and my Forex signals.
Why is he getting up? He just said he's working there this morning. Why is he leaving all of a sudden? Like, we haven't even finished recording. He's like, I'm done. I'm done. I've had enough of this.
Right, so basically we're having starters. I've made a few thousand, and this is my favorite time to...
Where's any of the proof he just made a few thousand? I could just be like, guys, just made 20 million bucks right now. I get to spend all of my time in this room making YouTube videos, making $20 million a day. That's what you could do when you do the YouTube life, FX.com, where you could join me. Oh wait, I forgot to do this. Where you could join me making $50 million a day from my buy and sell signals that you could get at YouTubeLifestyleFX.com. I need glasses. Darn, I can't do that.
It's peaceful, it's calm. Look at the nice food. Come check the food, guys. This is top quality stuff, amazing quality.
It's like he's giving a Yelp review to the food place now.
Right, guys, so I'm gonna be trading.
Wow, look at him all dished out here with his Louis Vuitton scarf. First of all, why do you need a Louis Vuitton scarf? If you're wearing shorts, you're wearing a t-shirt, by the pool, chances are that you don't need a scarf. That's not scarf weather. And he's drinking again. Look at it. Everywhere he's going, he's just drinking. He's just plastered the entire day.
From here with this beautiful pool. I'm in a 5-star luxury hotel. Look at the view that I'm literally trading to.
You gotta count how many times he says literally.
Literally, I just woke up, like literally. Look at the view that I'm literally trading to. Literally right now I'm in the jacuzzi.
It's a lot, literally. There he is with the beams. Look at those beams, that's great wood right there. Look at that, no termite damage at all.
You know, when you make this sort of money, you get this freedom, sleeping in some of the best penthouse hotels in the world, waking up to these crazy, beautiful views. Like, come check this view out, guys. Like,
the camera work is terrible. Look, we're getting shots of his feet. Again, the guy is just, you know what it is? It's like he hired one of those, what should we call it? Those little air things. What are the air things that do this? Air people outside of car dealerships. What are they called? Inflatable thing. Inflatable things outside of a car dealer. Inflatable tube dancers. Yeah, that's it. It's like he hired a tube dancer to go and like just film him the entire time. And the guy's just like this, just waving in the wind. Who did he have do this?
look at that. Imagine waking up to that. I'm 22 years old, living a millionaire lifestyle, drinking champagne every day.
I don't know if that's a thing to be proud of. I'm drinking every single day, smoke inside all the time. And yeah, you could be like me and just drink all the time, because that's all I can do. You could tell he had a little difficulty grabbing his wine, because he's filming, he's like, got it, like that. He almost spilt his wine.
So guys, you've seen the life.
All right, so now we went from audio being like way too much to now way too little. Like we can barely hear him now.
I live on a daily basis, the day in the life of a day trader. Literally right now I'm in the jacuzzi.
You're not in the, he says he's in the jacuzzi.
Literally right now I'm in the jacuzzi.
He's not in the jacuzzi, he's sitting on the jacuzzi with, again, another bottle of open champagne.
Get started at FxLifeStyle.com. Join the team today. And begin learning. To get started.
Wow, that's a complete change there. We went from his millionaire penthouse lifestyle at 22 years old, traveling the world, living the dream at FxLifeStyle.com, to now what appears to be just a QuickTime record on his computer.
From there, you can choose a package. I offer a Forex course where you can learn all my millionaire Forex strategies. I also offer Forex signals where you can copy all my exact trades on a daily basis. With my Forex...
Oh, wow, look at this. This looks like it was created in like 1998. I love his FX Lifestyle course. It's just a whole bunch of stock images and then one picture of him. And then I like this. My Forex banking strategy to predicting the market daily, 80% win rate. With charts that kind of mean absolutely nothing. It's just, they're random stock images. But we really have to appreciate this is just a blast from the past. It's not every day that you get to see what AOL used to look like in the 90s.
Course, I offer multiple FX Lifestyle PDF booklets where I teach all my millionaire Forex strategies.
Wow, he turned $150 into $100,000 in 10 months. He didn't do that by trading. He did that by selling to trade. That's most likely what it is.
Once you have purchased the Forex course, you also get access to 1 year's worth of free Forex signals.
Why does it seem like I'm the drunk one now? It's just going in and out of focus. It throw me off. Now I'm thinking like, is this champagne? It's not, it's coffee. Coffee should not be doing that.
If you want to
let's see what it is. What do we got? We got $189 for a year. It's actually cheaper than I thought. I was expecting it's only like some $1,000 package. Well, I mean, listen, first of all, if you buy this, shame on you. I mean, that's on you if you watch this and you're like, I'm sold. That jacuzzi, that lifestyle, yep, I'm in. Most likely, we gotta call it, that's a mistake. This is a learning experience here. But listen, to learn $190, not to get scammed in the future again because you learned your lesson here, fine, okay, I'll deal with it.
Visit the Forex signals page at FxLifestyle.com.
All right, so overall, guys, I think this is a genius video. I really hope this is satire, but I have a feeling it's not. And overall, on a scale of the funnies, I'm gonna do the funny scale. It's a 9.5. I think execution was so bad that it was good, okay? And it's evident now, 223,000 views. Enough people agree with me that like, hey, this is a wild video. It's nuts, but in a weird way, kind of like it. So with that said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to destroy the like button, subscribe button, and notification bell. Also, feel free to add me on Instagram. I post it pretty much daily, so if you want to be a part of it there, feel free to add me there, as in the podcast, The Iced Coffee Hour. New episodes being posted every single Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.
Literally right now I'm in the jacuzzi.